In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact steps successful founders follow. I'm breaking down the same checklist and free tools 500 plus founders used to launch their MVP. Stay till the end. Start with the pain, not the product. If the problem isn't painful, frequent, or urgent, your solution won't matter to users. Ask yourself, who is this for? What are they struggling with? And why does it need a solution right now? Great products solve specific pain, not just check feature boxes. Your MVP shouldn't try to do everything. Think about what's the one job your product must absolutely nail? Strip away the extras. Your first users need to say, yes, this is exactly what I needed. That one core feature? Build that first and build it fast. Let's talk scope, because this is where most MVPs go off track. Every screen you add isn't just design. It's also logic. The more screens, the more user flows, the more roles, the longer and costlier is your MVP build. But here's the truth. Most MVPs only need 4 to 6 core screens to validate a concept. You're not building the final product. You're testing your idea works. Not sure what your MVP actually needs and what's extra? Use the free Scope Planner. These are free tools just for founders like you. You'll find a free cost calculator, a feature prioritizer, and a tech stack selector tool, all linked below in the description. These are the same tools used by startup founders to plan their MVPs smarter in less time. Not sure whether to go native or cross-platform? Unless you need something super custom, Flutter or React Native usually gets the job done faster and cheaper. For backend, tools like Firebase can have you up and running in hours. Here's what most smart founders do. If speed and budget matter, go with Flutter or React Native. And if you're confused about what fits your build, use the free tech stack selector link in description. Let's talk money. A simple MVP with 4 to 6 screens, 1 user role, and low complexity usually lands in the $5K to $10K range. But if you're adding admin panels, chat, payments, or anything AI powered, you're likely looking at $15K to $25K. The biggest cost drivers depends on your number of screens, platform choice, feature complexity, and back-end requirements. And remember, more features does not mean better product. The smartest founders launch with what they've got, even if it's scrappy. Users won't tell you what they want, they'll show you through their actions. What they click, where they drop off, what feature they ignore. That's your gold mine. So launch fast and watch closely. Then improve based on real user behavior, not assumptions or opinions. Looking for a dev team that actually understands your startup idea? At Maclanzis, we've helped launch 1,000 plus MVPs, and we don't just build, we think like founders. You'll get free go-to-market guidance, no long-term contracts, and yes, you can even apply for 100 free development hours to kickstart your MVP build. Ready to build smart? Click the link below and get your MVP rolling.